New tonight, what if you could give your pet a medication to help them live longer? There's now a clinical trial underway in dogs 10 and older who weigh more than 14 pounds with that goal, and a dog down in Franklin is participating.
This good boy doesn't even realize he's part of history in the making.
Just being a part of this groundbreaking research is really exciting, and who knows what would come later in life for other dogs and other pet owners.
Winston's participating in the STAY study through a clinical stage veterinary medicine company called Loyal.
This is like the gold standard of clinical trials.
It's developed a drug now being tested in senior dogs to address their metabolic dysfunction as they age.
As you age, your body changes how you metabolize calories. Your insulin goes up, your glucose goes up. You can have a change in the fat distribution. So all of these things start to happen that can predispose humans and dogs to diseases as they age.
More than 70 veterinary clinics around the country have dogs participating. Winston was the 1,000th enrollee, and he's one of 19 being monitored by Franklin Animal Clinic.
Just the ability for owners to be able to help out not just their dog, but other dogs in the future is what makes clinical studies exciting.
Over the next 4 years, all the dogs involved will undergo regular physicals and testing.
They'll get 4 sets of labs this year looking at everything: organ function, red cell count, white cell count, their urine, the whole 9 yards.
Because it's a double-blinded, placebo-controlled study, veterinarian and clinic owner Dr. Amy Smith doesn't know whether Winston is actually getting the drug.
You know, it helps us when we look at these dogs and do their evaluations. It really helps keep us from putting our perspective on that physical exam or on their symptoms.
Nor does his mom, Cindy Williams, though she says she has noticed a change in the 10-year-old.
He's been more active. He had the zoomies the other day when nobody else had the zoomies, which was really, to me, pretty exciting because I haven't seen him do that in a while. He just seems more alert.
How do you see this shaping the future of how we care for our senior pets?
And if we can get veterinarians thinking about aging as the number one, predisposing factor for nearly every bad disease and all the things that kill dogs in the end of their life, we can really change the way veterinarians manage aging dogs.
The STAY study is the final test of effectiveness before Loyal submits for FDA approval.
We're hoping to get the drug into dog owners' hands in the next year or so.
Anything I can do that can further research into making them have longer, healthier lives, totally want to be a part of that.
For Winston, the drug isn't just about adding years to his life, it's about adding life to his final years.
So I think obviously my biggest question when doing this story was, what's it going to cost?
Yeah.
Loyal wouldn't say exactly what the cost of the drug would be once it does make it to market, but did note it is aiming to stay in the double-digit range and said, quote, "It is committed to ensuring our drugs are as accessible to as many dogs as possible."
And that's so important. I mean, I'm impressed by how extensive this study really is.
Yeah, I mean, you don't usually hear of clinical trials being over the course of 4 years and having 1,000+ dogs spread out across the United States. I mean, that just goes to show how far it's already, it's made it through all the safety trials to be able to get to this point, which is why we're now to the clinical trial spot. But I mean, who knows that, like she said, in the next year or two, you could see this drug, the Loy drug, make it to market, and one of us could be buying it to give to our pets in the future.
Fingers crossed. All right, time to talk